For this project, I'm going to be using size 3 mil cotton yarn, 3mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, needle and a stitch marker. So to get started with the coaster, we're gonna start off by making a magic ring. So wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers like this, cross it over, then hold your working yarn with your ring finger. And you can insert your hook through first strand and grab your second strand and pull it through, twist it, and then yarn over and pull through, and this is our magic ring. Also, you can adjust your magic ring by pulling this yarn tail. Now for round 1, we're gonna start off by making chain 1. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop. When you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 again. So this is our first double crochet. Now continue making 11 more double crochet into the magic ring. Okay, so I've completed 12 double crochet into the magic ring. Now to close the circle, pull this tail tightly like this. Now to finish this round, we're going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. So insert your hook into the very first double crochet we make right here, and then yarn over and pull it through the loop on your hook. So this is a slip stitch. Okay, now we completed round 1. For round 2, we're gonna start by making chain 2, and for this round we're gonna make 2 double crochet into each stitch. So start your first double crochet into the same stitch where we did our slip stitch. So this is our first double crochet. Now mark your first stitch with stitch marker. Now to make an increase, we're gonna make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and make 1 more double crochet. So this is our increase stitch. Now let me show you one more time. Into the next stitch, make your first double crochet, and to make increase, make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now repeat the sequence for the whole round until you reach the stitch marker, and you'll have 24 double crochet at the end of round 2. Okay, now I have completed 12 increases, and this stitch right here is our slip stitch that we made at the end of our round 1, and this is our chain 2. So we're not going to work into these stitches. Now to close our round 2, remove your stitch marker and make slip stitch into the first double crochet of round 2. So just insert your hook into the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. So this is our round 2 complete. Now for round 3, start with chain 2, 1 and 2. Now for this round, we're gonna make 1 double crochet and an increase stitch. So make your first double crochet into the same stitch where we did a slip stitch. Now mark your first stitch with stitch marker. Okay, so we already make our first double crochet. Now into the next stitch, make an increase stitch. So yarn over, make your first double crochet into the next stitch. Now into the same stitch, make another double crochet. So this is our increase stitch. So this is the pattern for round 2, 1 double crochet and an increase stitch. Let me show you one more time. So make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet together. So this is a first double crochet. Now into the same stitch, make another double crochet. So this is our increase stitch. Now we're going to repeat this pattern for the whole round, and you'll have 36 double crochet at the end of round 3. Okay, I've completed round 3. Now to close this round, remove your stitch marker and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Now for round 4, start off by making chain 2, 1 and 2. For this round, we're gonna make 2 double crochet and an increase stitch. So into the first stitch, make your first double crochet. Now into the next stitch, make your second double crochet. After that, into the third stitch, make an increase stitch. So make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So this is a pattern for round 4, 2 double crochet and an increase. Now let me show you one more time. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now into the next stitch, make your second double crochet. And into the third stitch, make an increase stitch. So make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So this is a pattern for round 2, 2 double crochet and an increase stitch. So we're going to repeat this sequence for the whole round, and at the end of the round you'll have 48 double crochet in total. Now close your round 4 by making a slip stitch into the first double crochet. After completing round 4, we're gonna cut the yarn and fasten off. Now for round 5, grab your green yarn and make a slip knot. Now we're going to remove our slip knot from the hook. Now grab your coaster and insert your hook into any stitch like this, and grab your slip knot and insert into the hook. Now from here we're gonna make chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now into the same stitch, make a double crochet. So insert your hook into the same stitch and make 1 double crochet. So this is the pattern for our first leaf. Now from leaf second to leaf 16, the pattern is gonna be the same. So yarn over and skip these next 2 stitches these two, and into the third stitch make 1 double crochet. After that, make chain 2 and make 1 double crochet again into the same stitch. So this is how we're gonna make leaf for the flower. Okay, so let me show you again. Skip your next 2 stitches and into the third stitch make 1 double crochet. So yarn over and insert your hook into the third stitch and make 1 double crochet. Then chain 2, 1 and 2. Now again into the same stitch make a double crochet. Okay, now let me explain it to you for one last time so you don't get confused. So skip your next 2 stitches and into the third stitch make a double crochet. After that chain 2 and again into the same stitch make a double crochet. So this is the pattern we're going to repeat for the whole round for round 5. Okay, so I've completed round 5. Now to close round 5, insert your hook into the third chain we made at the beginning of this round and make a slip stitch. So this is our round 5 complete. Now you can cut the yarn and fasten off. So at the end of round 5 your piece should look like this. Now for flowers I'm using this pink color yarn. You can use any color for the flower you wanna make. So we're gonna start round 6 by making slip knot. After completing slip knot, remove your slip knot from the hook. Okay, now grab your coaster and we're gonna make our flower between all these chain 2 spaces that we make in our previous round. So just insert your hook into any chain 2 space and then grab your slip knot and insert into your crochet hook. Now pull that slip knot to the front and make chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna make 8 double crochet into this chain 2 space all together. So this is my first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so I've completed 8 double crochet into this chain 2 space. Now you're gonna turn your work. Now insert your hook into the first double crochet we make. Oops, this is our first double crochet and we're gonna make a slip stitch into that stitch. Okay, so after you completed your slip stitch, from here you're gonna chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now turn your work again. Now continue making 8 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. So yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain 2 space and make first double crochet. This is our second double crochet, 3, here's a 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, after completing 8 double crochet into the chain 2 space, turn your work, insert your hook into the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. And from here chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now again turn back your work and repeat this pattern. So we're gonna make 8 double crochet into this chain 2 space and chain 5 and just repeat this pattern for the whole round until the end. So let me show you one last time. So make 8 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now turn your work and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. From here chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now turn back your work and just repeat this pattern for the whole round, and we'll meet after completing round 6. Okay, now I'm at the end of round 6, so this is our last flower. Now we're gonna close this round by making chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now turn your work and make slip stitch into this gap between the center of our first flower and just make a slip stitch. Now you can cut the yarn and fasten off. Now at the end of round 6, your piece should look like this. Now for round 7, I'm using the same color as I used for the base. Now to begin round 7, make a slip knot. Now remove the slip knot from your hook. Now grab your coaster. We're gonna work between these chain 5 spaces. So insert your hook into any chain space and grab your slip stitch. And make chain 2. After that we're gonna make 7 double crochet into this chain 5 space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I've completed 7 double crochet into this chain 5 space. Now insert your hook into this gap right at the center of our flower and make a slip stitch. So insert your hook into that space and make a slip stitch. So this is our first petal complete. Now to make a second petal, insert your hook into the next chain 5 space and make a slip stitch. From here we're gonna make chain 2. Now continue making 7 double crochet into the chain 5 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I've completed 7 double crochet into that chain 5 space. Now insert your hook at the center of our flower and make a slip stitch right here. So this is our second petal complete. Now to begin our third petal, insert your hook into the next chain 5 space and make a slip stitch. After that make chain 2. So this is a pattern we're going to repeat for this round. So just continue making 7 double crochet into this chain space, slip stitch into the center of our flower, and for the next petal start with slip stitch and then chain 2. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern for the whole round for a total of 16 times, and we'll meet at the end of round 7. Okay, so now I've completed round 7. Now to close this round, insert your hook into the last flower right here and make a slip stitch. Now you can go ahead and cut the yarn and fasten off. Now I'm gonna weave in all the yarn tails to stitches. Hey, I finished weaving in all the yarn tails, and this is how our coaster looks like. And I hope you all like making this coaster, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. And I also make one of this with red yarn, and this is looking so freaking cute. And tell me in the comment section in which color you make one for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.